Last December, Google blew everybody away with the demonstration of Gemini, its latest and greatest AI. That demonstration showed the Ultra version of Gemini, and now that version is finally out. Let's dive in to see how to get it, whether it meets expectations, and how it fares in comparison with ChatGPT. Here's Gemini Ultra, explained in 2 minutes. Google's promises were grand. Not only would it outperform ChatGPT by most benchmarks, but also be the first AI to beat human experts in all kinds of tests.
Gemini can understand the world around us in the way that we do.
Testing if it does is actually pretty easy. To try Gemini Ultra out, you just have to open the webpage of Google's previous artificial intelligence, Bard, which no longer exists, as Google chose to retire this rushed attempt at AI and completely rebrand all of its AI efforts to Gemini. The monthly fee for using Google's magnum opus is $20 per month, but that includes other benefits of the Google Premium plan, and a free trial is available. There might be some geographical restrictions though, and the first thing you notice about Gemini is that it's blazingly fast, much faster than the latest version of ChatGPT, and pretty much any other AI out there. The quality of the generated text can be underwhelming though, not in the sense that it's bad, but rather almost the same as comparable platforms. However, Gemini's edge is supposed to be its multimodality. Google praised its AI's capability to recognize and generate various forms of media, and it's safe to say that it mostly works. Gemini can summarize YouTube videos, generate code, and draw quite well-looking images, although that last thing may be restricted in some locations. According to Google, it can also act as a full-fledged AI tutor, creating step-by-step instructions and generating questions and discussions tailored to your learning style. Can it do that? Yes. However, ChatGPT can do that as well, and the question of which one of them to use comes down to personal preference. Of course, you have to keep in mind that this generation of AI is pretty limited and it's still on its way to becoming the all-encompassing, world-changing thing we all expect. When will that arrive? Well, with ChatGPT finally having a decent competitor in the form of Gemini Ultra, that future finally seems closer. We hope you enjoyed this short explanation of Google Gemini Ultra. If you did, why not check out our video about GPT-4? It's right there. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.